Monaco Yacht Show inside the world's most exclusive floating society. Every September, something unusual happens on the Mediterranean. Hundreds of the world's most extraordinary super yachts arrive in a small principality. Helicopters circle above the harbour. Champagne flows endlessly, and suddenly Monaco becomes the center of global wealth. But here is the truth most people don't realize. The Monaco Yacht Show is not really about yachts. It's about access, it's about relationships, and it's about temporary elite communities that exist for just a few days and then disappears again. Today we are going inside one of the most exclusive gatherings on earth, the Monaco Yacht Show, and uncovering the secrets, the scandals, and the hidden social rules that define this floating world. Welcome to ClubAndCo.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there when you're down and down on your luck. Things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. Whoa, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. When your heart hears a break and it's too
Why Monaco exists at all? To understand the yacht show, you first need to understand Monaco itself. The tiny principality of Monaco is smaller than many city parks, yet it became one of the wealthiest places in Earth. In the 19th century, Monaco reinvented itself from a struggling territory into luxury destination under Prince Rainier III, who transformed Monaco into a global symbol of prestige and financial attraction. No income tax, political stability, Mediterranean glamour, but most importantly, Monaco became a stage, a place where wealth could be seen, and yachts became the ultimate symbol. The birth of Monaco Yacht Show. The Monaco Yacht Show began in 1991. At first, it was relatively modest, a specialized industry exhibition, but something changed. Ultra-high net worth individuals began treating it not as a trade show, but as an annual social ritual. Today, over 100 super yachts gather in Port Hercule. Many exceed 100 meters. Some cost over 300 million. But here is the key inside. Most visitors are not tourists. They are buyers, owners, or people connected to ownership. The real purpose and temporary elite community. This is where it becomes a ClubAndCo story. The Monaco Yacht Show behaves like a private membership club without membership cards. Access is layered. Level 1, general tickets holders. Level 2, broker invitations. Level 3, private yacht access. Level 4, on-board event gathering. And each level filters people socially. You don't just walk onto a yacht. You are introduced, recommended, trusted. And suddenly the harbour becomes a floating social network. What really happens on board? What you see on Instagram is only the surface. The real Monaco Yacht Show begins after sunset. Private dinners hosted by owners, brand executives meeting discreetly, investors discussing projects informally, deals worth tens, sometimes hundreds of millions, begin as casual conversations. And unlike corporate conferences, nobody exchanges business cards aggressively. Because presence itself signals credibility. If you are there, you already passed the filter. Secrets they don't advertise. Here are things rarely discussed publicly. Number one, many yachts are never officially for sale. They are displayed to signal status or attract future partnership. Number two, brokers quietly observe behavior. How guests act socially matters as much as financial capability. Number three, privacy rules are strict. Photos inside yachts are often discouraged. Why? Because discretion is the real luxury. Scandals and controversies. With extreme wealth comes drama. Over the years, Monaco's yacht scene has faced ownership disputes, sudden yacht seizures linked to sanctions, billionaire rivalries playing out quietly in the harbour, extravagant parties criticized during global economic downturns, and yet, paradoxically, these controversies increase fascination because Monaco represents a world most people will never see. Why people really want to be there? So why does the Monaco Yacht Show attract such powerful people every year? It comes down to three forces. Belonging, shared lifestyle creates instant connection. Visibility, being seen in Monaco, signals status globally. Social capital, relationships formed here open doors elsewhere. The yachts are spectacular, but the real currency is proximity. And this is why the Monaco Yacht Show matters far beyond luxury. It shows how modern elite communities are evolving, not always inside buildings, but inside experiences. Temporary worlds where influence, relationship, and opportunity quietly intersect. And this is exactly what we explore here on ClubAndCo. Private clubs, elite gatherings, hidden communities, and the systems behind access and influence. If you want to understand how social capital really works, subscribe. Because the most important networks don't advertise themselves. I'll see you in the next deep dive. Thank you for watching.